Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to our EVS2 session, that is history. Today we are going to learn about the great legend Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And the lesson name is The Fort is Captured but the Lion is Dead. Let us begin with the lesson. Jijamata's Wish. The 23 forts which Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of the Mughals. Now, my dear students, have a look on the screen. Here you can see the image of Jai Singh and the strong forts among 23, that is Kundana. Kundana was one of these 23 forts. One day, Jijamata said to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Shiva, it is not safe to leave the strong Kundana fort in enemy's hand. You must recapture it. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was thinking on the same lines. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was very unhappy that Kundana was in Mughals' hand. Both Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. It was like a thorn in their side. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started making his plans for the recapture of Kundana fort. Who could be entrusted with this task? It was very difficult to capture Kundana. Let us move further. Tanaji Malusare. My dear students, here we have the image of Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji was Chhatrapati Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrat near Mahad in the Konkan. Tanaji was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned to him by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Tanaji was strong and well built, and as clever as he was brave. He was passionately devoted to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Let us move further. Kundana's marriage first. Tanaji was busy making preparations for his son Raiba's wedding. Everyone in the house was busy with the marriage preparations. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought that he would go and invite Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib to the wedding. Accompanied by Shelar Mama, he went to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to give him and Ma Sahib his personal invitation to the wedding. On receiving the invitation from Shelar Mama, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj said, Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding. I am sorry, I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kundana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, Maharaj, do you propose to undertake this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of persons like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kundana by capturing it. Raiba's wedding can wait. You must allow me to lead this campaign and give me your blessings for its success. Let us move further. Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji took charge of the campaign and left for Kundana. The fort was then under the immediate control of Udaybhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Udaybhan was a disciplined and vigilant officer. My dear students, here you can have a look of the image Udaybhan. There were 2 entrances to the fort. Both were heavily guarded by Udaybhan's men. How then to mount an assault? Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. On the western side, there was a steep precipice where there were no guards. My dear students, here you can see on the display how the soldiers of Tanaji were climbing the steep wall. Tanaji decided to attack from that side. He explained his plan to his younger brother. He said, "You take a detachment of 500 troops and try and reach the Kalyan gate. With another 300, I shall scale this precipice and get inside the fort. As soon as we are there, we shall throw open the doors of the Kalyan gate. Then you step in and join us. Together we shall destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort." With the plan thus finalized, Suryaji and Tanaji went their different ways. Let us move further over the precipice and into the fort. It was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice. The sound of crickets could be heard all round. 5 or 6 members of Tanaji's party started to scale the precipice. It was indeed very high and steep, but somehow they managed to get a foothold in the rock, pulled themselves up by pushing their fingers into rock crevices, and began the difficult and dangerous climb. See, my dear students, how Tanaji is slowly and calmly climbing the steep walls. Slowly but surely, they reached the top. As soon as they were on the safe ground, they tied a thick rope to a strong tree and let it down the precipice. The others took hold of the rope and climbed up to the top like monkeys. Let us move further. Tanaji's valor. By now, Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. He waited there for the doors to open. The battle on the fort started. Udaybhan heard of the attack. The battle drum was sounded. Udaybhan's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between the two forces. In the light of dancing torches, the Mavlas opened the doors of the Kalyan gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaybhan attacked him. Both were very brave, and the battle between them was fierce. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied his upper garment round his defending hand to parry Udaybhan's blows and continued the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. Let us move further. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. With the death of Tanaji, the Mavlas found themselves without a leader and began to retreat. By then, Suryaji and his men had arrived on the scene of battle. Suryaji was deeply grieved to know that his brother was dead. But he had no time for grief. He had to continue the fight. He cut off the rope by which the Mavlas had climbed the fort. Then he stood in the path of the retreating Mavlas and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the rope by which you climbed up. The only choice before you is either to jump to your death over the precipice or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." So the Mavlas returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. The Mavlas ultimately conquered the fort, but in the process had lost their brave and lion-hearted leader Tanaji. Jijamata and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with grief. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence: "The fort is won, but the lion is dead." So Kundhana became Sinhagad in memory of the great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. This event took place in 1670. Later on, Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrat and performed the wedding of Raiba. My dear students, let us begin with the hard words of this lesson. Number 1, entrusted. Entrusted. Number 2, assigned. Assigned. Number 3, devoted. Devoted. Number 4, wedding. Wedding. Number 5, immediate. Immediate. Let us move further. Next word is number 6, vigilant. Vigilant. Number 7, assault. Assault. Number 8, inspection. Inspection. Number 9, detachment. Detachment. Number 10, defending. Defending. Let us move further. Number 11, precipice. Precipice. Number 12, dangerous. Dangerous. Number 13, finalized. Finalized. Number 14, garrison. Garrison. Number 15, warrior. Warrior. So my dear students, on the display whose image you can see, yes, Jai Singh, who is having all the forts handed over by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to him, and that time all the forts were in Mughals' hand. Here comes the Uday Bhan. He was a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh himself, and he is made immediate in charge to take care of the fort Kundhana. He had a brave fight with Tanaji Malusare. Both were fight fiercely. Last but not the least, Tanaji Malusare, as I said you, that he is the comrade right from the beginning of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was always ready to sacrifice his life for Hindavi Swaraj or for the sake of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai. He was assigned by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj himself. He was a well-built and clever as he was brave. Here also we can see that how Tanaji's Malusare soldiers were climbing the steep deep wall. In the Kundhana fort there were only 2 main gates, so enemies cannot enter in the fort. My dear students, can you tell me that whose image you can see on the display? Yes, Veer Mata Jijabai, mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So my dear students, what all points we have covered in this session? Yes, Jijamata's wish was she is wishing that Kundhana fort should be in their hand. Next, Tanaji Malusare's entry, that how he came and helped out Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Then he said, Kundhana's marriage first, then my son Raiba's marriage. This event took place, and after that Tanaji's plan taken place, where he met Uday Bhan. So my dear students, I hope this session of EVS 2 is understood and clear to you. Thank you.